Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to do subtraction of fractions. Here the method of subtraction of fraction is almost same as the addition. But in addition we need to add and in subtraction we need to subtract. The rest of the process are same, like the addition or subtraction of like fraction, unlike fractions and mixed fraction. All the rest of the steps are almost same, but here we need to subtract the numerators. All right, let's start. Dear students, kindly note down the rough column that I do in my page. Okay, don't do that. Don't copy direct solution from here. Please also copy the rough column, because rough column will help you to understand the method to solve these problems. All right, so dear students, you can see these are like fractions. 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. Both denominator are same. So here we need to simply subtract the numerator. So dear student, when we have like fraction for subtraction or addition, the denominator will remain same as they are same in both fraction. And simply we need to subtract the numerator. Here we will subtract 1 from 3, which is equal to 4. 2 by 4. And most of you did not understand why the last step of the answer. Generally the answer should be converted into the lowest term. All right, so here we have 2 by 4 as our solution. So you can see here both number has one common factor, that is 2. That means both the number can be divided by 2. So we know that 2 ones are 2. Why I cut like this? Because 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. That means we divided this 2 by 2. Okay, then 2 2s are 4. This process is same as 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. In simple method we just cancel it like this. Okay, here 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. This method can be also written in this way, by cancelling the number, by dividing the both number with the same number. For example, we have done here 2 ones are 2. So we cut this 2 and we write 1. 2 2s are 4. So we cut this 4 and instead of that we have written 2. That means this is the lowest term. So the answer is 1 by 2. Now look at question number. Now next one is also same, that is like fraction. So we are simply going to minus this numerator, 3 minus 7. So we know that 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 by 8. So here also you can see, no, both has a common factor, that is 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the answer of this is also 1 by 2. We cancel both. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right? Now 3. It is unlike fraction. So when we have unlike fraction, so first of all we need to make them like fraction. And how we are going to do that? For that we are going to find out the LCM of denominators. Now let us find LCM. 2 and 8. We know that 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again 1 will remain 1, 2 twos are 4. Now last 2 ones are 2. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we got our LCM, that is 8. Now let us find out equivalent fraction of both this fraction with denominator 8. Now we are going to find out equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 with denominator 8. So in both equivalent fraction the denominator should be 8. So we know that 2 fours are 8. So when the denominator multiplies with 4, it is compulsory that the numerator will also multiply with 4. So it becomes 1 fours are 4. Now 3 by 8. Denominator should be 8, okay. The LCM should be denominator of the both fraction when we find equivalent fraction. So we know that 8 ones are 8. So when this 8 multiplies with 1, it means 3 will also multiply with also multiplies with 1. That is 3 ones are 3. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this. So now they become equivalent fraction. Sorry, like fraction. 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Look, they become equivalent fraction. Now this remained denominator will remain same. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. This is our answer. Now look at next problem, that is their unlike fraction. So as we know that we need to find out the LCM of denominators. Is, let us find out LCM. We know that 3 2s is 6, 3 1s is 3. Now 2 1s are 2. The 1 will remain as 1. Now we know that LCM is equal to 3 2s are 6. Now let's find out equivalent fraction. So you can see here it is already 6. The denominator is already 6 here. So actually we no need to find out anything like that. But let us so 6 ones are 6. 5 ones are 5. It will remain same. No need to find out. Now we have to find out equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 with denominator 6. Now we know that 3 2s are 6. So 1 2s are 2. Now let us subtract it. 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Now let's see. Look at this. They have become like fraction now. Now 6 will remain as 6. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 6. And here you can see both of them can be cancelled with each other by 3. Now we know that 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So answer is 1 by 2. Now look at next problem. Here one is whole number and another is fraction. So what should I do here? Okay, that's very simple. We should convert this whole number into a fraction by adding 1 as denominator. Always remember, every whole number have a denominator, that is 1. If you write or don't write, they always poses a denominator, that is 1. So we can write that. But we cannot write another number, okay? Another digit we cannot write here. You have to write only 1. When it does not have any denominator. If you have a whole number here, then to make it fraction, we have to add 1 as the denominator. Now 3 by 4. As you can see there, we have to find out LCM of denominator, if there is 1 and then the another number is the LCM. All right, no need to find out. If you see one denominator is 1, the another is another number, then the another number become the LCM of the two fraction. So you can see here this is already in its form, so we are going to convert only this. So it already have the 4 as denominator, so no need to convert it. So we are going to find equivalent fraction of this. So we need denominator 4. So 1 4 is 4, 3 4 is 12. Therefore, now in place of this 3 by 1, we are going to write 12 by 4 minus, it is already 3 by 4, right? So 4 will remain as 4. The denominator remains same in like fraction. Now we need to subtract 3 from 12. The 9 by 4. Now look, answer is a improper fraction. So when we get improper fraction, we should convert them into mixed fraction. We know that 4 2 is 8, and remainder 1. So when we write improper fraction, this remainder, it becomes numerator and this denominator remains same. Okay, denominator is 4, so it will remain 4. This remainder become new numerator, that is 1, and this the question convert into the whole number. So it will come here. Now see, we have to multiply these two and plus with the numerator. So we will get 9. Let's see whether we get 9 or not. We know that 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. Look, that means it is correct. 4 by 9. Question number 6 is homework for you. Please do it yourself. Okay, do it yourself. This is same as question number 5. So question number 6 is homework for you. Please do it. Now look at this. Here one is whole number and another is mixed fraction. So in this case, what should we do? We know that when we have a whole number, which should be converted into fraction by adding 1 as denominator. But what should we do here? So it's very simple. So what we have to do? We should multiply the denominator with whole number and then add with numerator. So first we are going to do multiply 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. It means 5 by the denominator will remain same. So as I told you, if you have two fraction where one of the fraction have 1 as denominator and another have another number then bigger than 1, then that number will be the LCM of the denominator. So here we came to know that the LCM of the denominator is 4. Okay. Then this fraction already have 4 as denominator, so no need to convert into equivalent fraction. Let us convert this, the another with denominator 4. So we know that 1 4 is 4, so 2 4 is 8. So in place of this 2 by 1, we are going to write 8 by 4, the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 by 1 minus 5 by 4. Now 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. The denominator will remain same. Now look, 3 by 4. So neither they are improper fraction nor they have any common factor. So it is the answer and it is its in lowest term. So no need to change it. Understand? So question number 8 is also similar to question number 7. Kindly do it yourself. The problem is that here mixed fraction is in the front and after that there is another fraction. So that is also very easy. You know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? You need to multiply the denominator with whole number and add with numerator. Understood? Denominator into whole number plus numerator is equal to the numerator. That means you will get the new numerator like this, 5 by 4. Understood? So question number 8, please do it yourself. Alright, I'm doing question number 9. That is similar to the 8 is also similar to 9. Okay, but here is both fraction are in mixed fraction. So look at this properly, so you will understand how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is very easy. So you can see here 2, 3, 8. So first of all we need to multiply these two. So 8 2s are 16. After that we need to plus with this, add with numerator, plus 3 is equal to 19. Understood? So this become 19 by 8. Now this one, 1/4. Here we need to multiply these two. So 1 4s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. After that we have to add plus 1 5. So it is 5 by 4. So let us find the LCM of denominator. So there is also a shortcut I'm going to tell you. Look, the 4 and 8, they are 4 is the factor of 8. Yes or no? 4 is one of the factor of 8 because 4 2s are 8, right? This is why if they are factor of each other, or the smaller number is factor of bigger number, then the bigger number become the denominator. You see here 8 will be the denominator. You can also check this answer by finding LCM. I have written it directly because I know they are factor of each other, so the bigger number will be the LCM. But let's see with this method also. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So here look, I told you no, the bigger number 4 2s are 8. See. So LCM is 8. It is already with denominator 8, so no need to convert. So let us convert this. 5 by 4 with denominator 8. 4 2s are 8. So 5 2s are 10. Therefore 19 by 8 minus 10 by 8 is equal to 19 minus 10 by 8 is equal to 19 minus 10 is equal to 9 by 8. So here 9 and 8 doesn't have any common factor. So this is the answer. Now look at question number 10. Here we have again mixed fraction. Let us convert it. First of all we have to multiply with this. So 3 4s are 12. Then plus 1 is equal to 13. So it's 13 by 3. Now next one is 3 1. So here 3 ones are 3. Multiply with this, you need to plus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 by 3. Now the last one, 5 by 1. It is whole number, so we will add 1 as denominator and it will be a fraction now. Now you can see 3. Now if, as I told you, there this 3 you're seeing and 1 is there, that means the bigger, they are factor of each other. You know, 1 3 is a 3, so they are factor of each other. Therefore the bigger number, bigger digit, a bigger number 3 is the LCM. The LCM of denominator is 3. So as they are already have denominator 3, so we need to convert only 5 by 1. So let us convert that. 5 by 1 with denominator 3. So we have to find out equivalent fraction of 5 by 1. So we know that 1 3 is a 3 and 5 3 is a 15. Now let us add 13 by 3 plus 6 by 3 plus, instead of 5 by 1 we will write its equivalent fraction 15 by 3. Alright, now add this 13 plus 6 plus 15, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, carry 1, 3. It's 34 by 3. So let us, it is, now we got the answer is what? Improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than denominator, so we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Dear students, please keep this in your mind that whenever you get improper fraction, you need to convert it into mixed fraction. So let us divide it. 34 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 4 came out. 3 ones are 3. So remainder is 1. So here this remainder become numerator. This denominator 3 will remain 3 and this 11 will come here. Now look, 3 11s are 33 plus 1 34. Got it? So answer is 11 1/3. Write this answer, okay? I messed it up. Now question number 11 is also like this one, but there is no any whole number, so it will be easier for you. Convert in question number 11, convert all the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then find out the sum. Alright students, if you do not understand, please let me know. Thank you.